You're gonna go last. Jody, I'll tell you something. Here.
What?
Are you going to my party?
Are there gonna be any boys there?
Duh.
I don't know, Tracy. Maybe.
Are you scared? Some boys?
No.
Okay. It's on Friday the 6th.
Mom?
Hey, did you have a nice day at school?
Yeah, Mom, can I go to Tracy's party?
Well, do you have any homework?
No, Mom.
Well, I suppose, but are there going to be any boys there? No. Okay. I hope you're not lying to me.
Mom.
Tracy!
Party. Are there any boys
No,
here
but
yet?
don't worry, they'll be here soon. I'll be right back. I'm going to go get some more snacks. Hi. Is this Tracy's party?
Yeah.
Where's Tracy?
Getting snacks.
Can I come in?
Getting snacks.
Can I come in? So, do you want to do something?
Like what?
We do this. It's not scary. Are you scared of this?
I've never tried it before.
It's okay. Just be your
I
first
don't know. My mom always said not to.
Come on.
Okay. I have to go.